How's everybody doing? Happy Halloween. Don't ask me what happened back there. I obviously ended up moving the GoPro one way, then the other way, and ended up getting messed up the view, and then I disconnected the cable because I'm trying to test this GoPro actually on the handlebar of my bike. And the handlebar of my bike usually transfers all the sound, especially right here. All this right here, I'm sure that's going right into the GoPro. I can hear it. I took the plunge and I ended up getting the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and it's on its way. And yesterday I started watching some videos on YouTube, and I'm watching a few of them now. They're popping up where people are having issues with their GoPros. They're starting to freeze. The GoPro says that you need to delete everything from your SIM card in order to proceed. That means you have to delete everything you have in your SIM card, and if you have another SIM card, or you do not have another SIM card, guess what? You're screwed, because everything will be deleted in your SIM card. So that makes it difficult. Now I started to hear it overheats. I saw another video that overheat, and another one with stabilization was just going out of whack from this guy. His name is Stroke Driver or something. But he's got a video where the stabilization just, right at the last minute on his video, just goes out of whack. Another guy I asked, and I said, hey, you having any issues? And the guy said, well, I haven't, only when the battery went down to 15%, the GoPro Hero 8 froze. And another one I saw it that he turned the GoPro, and he did had one time where the GoPro froze and he had to press the power button continuously for about 5 seconds until the GoPro reset and it came back on. So I don't know what to do, man. It seems like GoPro did this, like what they saying, GoPro has continuously, it's a company that's going down the drain or not. I don't know. I'm not gonna jump into that boat. They talking, some of the people, some motorcyclist blogger saying that the GoPro is just going down the drain to the fact that the CEO is a jerk and they treat their employees pretty bad, customer service sucks, etc, etc, etc. I'm coming from the GoPro Silver, and I'm coming from the GoPro Q Black, Hero 5 Session actually. And I can't say anything because I didn't jump the bandwagon on the 5, the 6, and the 7. I'm glad I didn't do it on the 7, because boy, did I hear that was a mess for a lot of people. So I jump on the 8 now because of the stabilization, because of blogging, because of the media mud that they pushing down our throats, and we still cannot get a nice 3mm jack for audio and good audio out of these GoPros. The action cameras, and now they switch to bloggers. So I don't know, man. I really don't know. I honestly gotta say that I ordered the GoPro 8 and then I canceled it, and in the middle of the night I woke up and I'm like, oh man, it can't be that all GoPros are pieces of crap, can it? And so I said, should I try it, should I not? And so I sent out an email and I told the guys, you know what, go ahead and just ship the darn thing, just ship it. I'm gonna try it. I'm waiting for it, and we'll see how that goes. I'll make a video about how that goes. I'm on my way home. I actually have ice cream, and it's like 5 degrees here where I am. So beautiful day. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween for everybody. I'm gonna hit home. Wow. Yep. I can hear the sound of this thing. It's just horrible. Oof, big old bug. What you guys watching is a GoPro Silver, and I have a lavalier called Isotich boost your sound lavalier microphone. And for what I've been watching on the GoPro 8, the sound sounds a lot better. The stabilization is great, and the clarity on this thing is, you know, it's not bad. Not bad. For us, they're coming from the 4, the 5, is a major upgrade. For those that got the 7, not at all. I don't consider that to be a actual worth investment of upgrading from the 7 to the 8. If you got the money, yeah, go for it. If you know, having issues with the 7, because it had a lot of bugs. I've done some research and that 7 had a lot of bugs. Sell your 7 and jump the bandwagon. There's an offer the GoPro has been offering for a while that send any old GoPro piece of crap, broken or not broken, and you get $100 discount, or 25%, I believe it is. Don't quote me on that. I believe it's 25% off of the brand new Hero 8. Just send one that is yours, of course. It's not being stolen, or you buy one and it's stolen, you don't know, and they check the serial number. If it's stolen, guess what? You will not get credit on that. So don't jump the bandwagon right away. And you know, I try to do that the $50 for a crap defect GoPro, and by the time I'm gonna finish, I'm gonna get like 50 or 40 bucks discount on it. So it's not worth it for me to go through the hassle of that and then wait. It's not worth it for me. So I'd rather that just to jump the bandwagon, and I pay for it in full price. I don't know that squeaky noise, what that is. Beep beep. So I hope that I have good luck with that GoPro, man. It's messed up to know that we're investing $500 by the time you're gonna be finished with the media mod. Could be 650 euro on that little action vlogging camera, and we're gonna have all these issues like the 7. It's just, GoPro, please, what you guys doing? Sorry about that. As I said, this silver is better when it's on a chesty mount, not like this. This is a racing bike. To me, just not a very good mounting area position for the handlebars on a GoPro. You know, everybody's with you. Stabilizers and on their chest and on their motorcycles, on their helmets, Everybody's tired of those stabilizers. I think they're pretty much tired. People are tired of those. They're not happy. Nobody's happy with a big old bulky thing. Having to carry it with the blogging, whether we're doing action stuff. We want to talk on the video. We need sound, you guys. We need good sound and a stabilization. And the technology is getting advanced quickly. And obviously we're getting some good stabilization out of these little cameras. But for that little sensor that the GoPro has, you can continue to ask so much out of that little lens. It's just cannot handle it. So this video just a little rant. Happy Halloween, everybody. As I said, I wanted to do a quick video regarding what are your expectations on the Hero 8. For me, it was just stabilization and audio. The audio got a lot better. Whether you do a Wi-Fi, wireless, blah blah blah, you don't have a cable hooked out, you're not doing a lavalier, whatever sports you're doing, there's many options you can do. The GoPro has no 3mm jack. You got to carry that big of $50, $60 issue with the adapter mud. You know, to connect a lavalier. It's just a pain carrying that big old block thing. Cannot cost you probably $10 to make it, and then letting us have it for 50 or more, 60. I seen it here in Europe for 75 euro. That's almost $80. If not, that's $80. So I'm done with my rant, you guys. Just I want to express my frustration right now that I'm waiting for the GoPro 8, and I'm reading it. I'm like, man, should I cancel it? Should I wait? Should I wait for? You know, it's always waiting for the next best thing, and there's gonna be always a next best thing. There's always gonna be upgrades. There's always gonna be the next camera.